is Madison. If you're new here, I'm a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app. I'm also a full-time stay-at-home mom of my 2 boys, Isaac and Noah. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of a package that my sister-in-law has sent me to resell on Poshmark of clothing. And I have it right here next to me, right here. And of course, I have my little guest, Noah. He's here to help me. I have him in his little seat down here. Yeah. He's here to help me, so let's get into it. All right. So I kind of already peeked in here a little bit. So I kind of have a guess of what's in here, but I'm going to show you guys. It's a lot of men's items, I should add that. Lots of men's items. So the first thing that I have is this men's button-down shirt and this pink, like, floral, like, what is this called, this print? It's like, pawn fronts, that's what it is, like, yeah. So this is the brand. It's called JFJ Ferrara. I've never sold this brand. I've never picked it up before. I've only seen it like once or twice. So we'll see how good the comps are on this. So that's the first item. The second item is this t-shirt from Guess. Size large. It's real nice. Another men's item. Okay. The next thing is from Gap. It's a size large. It's a nice olive green button-down shirt. Cool. And I'm going to list all these hopefully this week. Okay. The next item is another button-down from Guess. Size large. Black button-down with some cool, like, detailing on the shoulders and some pockets. Really nice.
Mom. Mama. Mommy.
Sorry about that. My other son needed me to fix something for him. So the next item, the majority of this box is men's items, so I'm not even gonna say men's. The next item is another pair. It's a pair of Guess jeans, ultra slim McRae fit, size 34-30. Real nice. Like I said, I haven't looked up any comps on this stuff yet, so I will do that when I'm done with this video. Okay. Next up is a pair of black pants from, this is Levi's actually. Black Levi's. Black Levi's, size, I always forget they're on the back, 34. Cool. Black, like that. Nice. Looks like there's 2 more clothing items in here. Okay, the next item is another pair of Guess jeans. And this is the Slim Straight Del Mar fit, size 34-30. Nice. And then the last pair is another Slim Straight Del Mar fit from Guess, size 34-30, same size. Nice. And there's one more item in the bag, in the box. Oh, 2 more items, I'm sorry. Which is a Coach purse that I'm going to resell. I'm going to clean the outside up some. There's just a little bit of marks, pen marks. Just fine, comes off with cleaner. And then a wallet from Tommy Hilfiger. Cool. Looks like the inside, that's the inside. And that is it. And then she gave me this cross for my house. Too nice. Well, April, if you're watching this, thank you. We appreciate everything. And I can't wait to list all this stuff. So, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below in the comment section of what kind of videos you want to see next. And don't forget to check out my Poshmark closet. The link will be in the description box below. So, thank you for watching, and here we are. Say bye-bye, Noah. Hey, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.